Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect Binance to Google Authenticator with Secure in 2025. So we will just open the Binance app on my mobile. After we will move in the top left in the three lines as well, and we will move in the ID arrow. Just tap. So as you can see, there's an option of security. So just tap, and there's an option Authenticator app. So just tap. So right now I will just already attach my Authenticator app to Binance. So if you don't, so just tap for link and it will just send a code, and you will just also download the Google Authenticator like this. And if you don't create a Binance key, so just tap for plus, enter a setup key, type Binance and just tap add, and you will be just see like this code and just copy it and go in Binance and just enter it. So it will be just connected to Google Authenticator with your Binance app. So that's it. Thank you.